All right, so let's check out this 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Beautiful, beautiful car here. Oh man, with a 452 cubic inch engine. Let's see, what's the paint here? Light bronze metallic. Man, this thing is just over the top. Magnums on it. Looks like we got some custom seats. SRT seats in the front here. AC. It's just a really nice looking car. I'd drive it all over the place. So let's take a quick run down here, see if you can read this. It is a 4-speed car, dynoed at 469. Lots of different features on that one. Definitely clean underneath, H-pipe exhaust. Just a really nice car.